Hi, so my name's Dan. I'm a 50th anniversary lecturer over in Leica, and so what I thought I'd do today is talk to you a little bit about what I'm doing and how it may link to mobilities research, and specifically to do with sort of information mobility and perhaps the mobility between different disciplines. So to me, this is design. Design's about allowing people to use complicated things without really having to understand how they work. And so design's really about designing an abstraction between the complicated thing and people. But the problem is today, design challenges don't really look like this anymore. They're starting to look more and more like this, where you want to design and engage with sort of complex things that have their own dynamics, their own sort of mobilities internally, and that's much more difficult. Oops. Okay. And so things like the stock market, for example, already complex, and you now have sort of software bots which are there, buying and selling stocks at the same time. These sort of city dashboards which you see for smart cities, how do you start to use all this information we're gathering from sensors to actually make changes to the city? Also things like just new CAD tools for designers and architects. How can they start to collaborate better, exploit new fabrication tools, and sort of large-scale computing and optimization? And so my research is really about these attempts to communicate. And sort of increasingly, I think these attempts to communicate really sort of shape the culture and also sort of the practice of whatever discipline it is. And so in Leica, what I'm doing at the moment is I'm looking at how these things are sort of shaping the future of manufacturing. And specifically, I'm designing new design tools that can combine ideas from sort of data visualization, 3D modeling, artificial intelligence, and allowing us to move between sort of computational media and physical matter. And so the idea is that sort of new tools for designers, really. And so one of the things I've been working on, it looks a little bit like sort of Minecraft on acid. So the idea that I'm using sort of AI techniques with sort of voxel-based modelling things, and I'm creating things for sort of multi-material 3D printers. We're getting one in engineering buildings soon, so we'll be able to start playing with them. And this work's sort of continuing. Basically, it's about how we can work with data in new ways and sort of disrupt design and manufacturing. The key motivation is really about allowing designers to move between different disciplines and sort of work in radically new ways with sort of new information mobility. And so I'll be sort of chasing funding for this further. And generally, I guess my research interests are about these sort of attempts to communicate information mobility as sort of matter becoming media and media becoming matter, new material practices and modes of production, and sort of completely interdisciplinary design approaches to design, really. And so again, if you have any interest in those, please contact me or talk to me afterwards. Thanks.